Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your headphones BEATS Solo3 on your Android device. And basically we have a few options how to check the serial number. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom of this box, right here we have serial number, so you can check it here. The second option is to check it on the headphones. At the right headphone, right here, we have also serial number, SN, it means serial number, so you can also check it here. And the last option, how we can check it, is to use an application. Open it. Now scroll down. And right here we have serial number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!